Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with the best source you have. If possible, choose RAW or the largest JPEG. Once done, upscale gently 1.5 to 2 times when text is too small because interpolation restores readable pixels. Make sure to apply mild sharpening, start at 0.5 to 1.5 pixels, and raise global contrast by about 10 to 25%. These first actions create a clearer foundation. They reduce artifacts later and let targeted edits actually improve letter edges rather than magnify. Now you focus on the complex middle. Isolate the text with a local mask so edits affect only letters, not background. Once masked, run selective denoise to remove grain, then apply a contrast boost and an unsharp mask tuned to text strokes. Make sure to inspect color channels. Often the highest contrast channel yields cleaner sharpening, so sharpen that channel selectively. This targeted pipeline preserves fine edges and prevents haloing. In short, you treat letters like tiny shapes, not general image texture. Finish by exporting at native or slightly higher resolution, preferably lossless so you keep detail. Once exported, examine text at final display size and run OCR or a visual readability check. Make small contrast or sharpening tweaks as needed. If things go wrong, like halos or ringing, reduce sharpening, refine the mask to protect edges, or apply a dehalo filter. These last steps lock in clarity while providing one clear troubleshooting path, so you end with readable, artifact-minimized text.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.